Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, Your Highnesses, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second day of LEAP 24. I was on the main stage last year showing the impact that we created through NTDB and launching 6 new products at that time. Comparing the impact that we achieved last year with what has been achieved as of today, I'm happy to announce that we achieved at least 7x impact on all pillars. With 14 products launched under NTDB, with more than 40 ecosystem partners between private sector and public sector, with 5 global accelerators attracted to Saudi Arabia and establishing 5 accelerators funds with a total of $346 million, we supported more than 750 tech startups and SMEs in Saudi Arabia. We created more than 300 new tech startups in the ecosystem, and the target to reach to 1,000 tech startups by 2025. We attracted 47 global startups to Saudi Arabia, Series A and above, to have their MENA HQ here in Saudi Arabia. Our startups that we supported through our program closed more than 49 investments round last year with a total of $750 million, which represents more than 50% of all investments that happened in Saudi Arabia last year. And also, we unlocked $700 million as debt financing from commercial banks and financial institutes to support the tech ecosystem. This resulted into economic impact of $1.45 billion as a direct GDP impact to the ecosystem, and we created more than 7,300 new jobs in the ecosystem. Today, I'm happy to announce and launch 5 new products under the umbrella of NTDB. We know for a fact that deep tech and emerging tech are changing and shaping the future of technology sector. And to make Saudi Arabia as one of global tech hub, we must encourage and incentivize VC funds in Saudi Arabia to start investing in these technologies. For example, generative AI, space tech, open RAN, quantum computing, smart cities, and biotech. Targeting VCs in Saudi Arabia and in partnership with SVC and with a budget of $266 million, we are happy to announce our first product for today, Fuel. Generative AI is disrupting every industry on the planet, and it's evolving very fast. Providing R&D infrastructures and facilities, encouraging talent development, accessing industrial challenges and data, and enabling venture building activities are key factors to enable innovation for any industry. With expected outcomes over the next 5 years to build up to 1,000 AI and machine learning engineers, up to 100 AI native ventures, and up to 25 AI foundation models, and up to 50 AI native solutions, and in collaboration and partnership with Sadaya, MCIT, CAUS, and with a total budget of $266 million, we are happy to launch our second product for the day, AI Mission. One of our main objectives is to increase the quality deal flow of the startups in the ecosystem. And one of the challenges that the startups face, especially when they close an investment round, especially in the early stage, it takes them up to 4 months to finalize the due diligence and agree on the term sheet and finalize the agreement with the VCs. And once they sign the agreement, it takes them up to between 3 to 6 months to receive the first deployment. Today, every startup in Saudi Arabia that will close, especially in the early stage, that will close an investment round from any VC in Saudi Arabia, once they sign the agreement, we will finance that startup with 50% of the investment amount immediately to enable them to have cash and continue the growth activities as a loan for 6 months. In collaboration with the Social Development Bank and with a total budget of $26 million for the first year, we are happy to announce our third product for the day, Fund Swift. As His Excellency mentioned, we have all the big players of cloud solutions in Saudi Arabia right now, and we would like to encourage and incentivize all the startups and SME to move to the cloud and adopt cloud solutions by providing up to 1 million riyal as a grant to startups and SMEs in Saudi Arabia to move to the cloud and adopt cloud solutions. And in collaboration with MCIT, we are happy to announce our fourth product for the day, Transform Plus. Last product for the day. One of our main objectives is to increase the job in ICT sector and also to increase the women participation in this sector. Targeting outsourcing firms in Saudi Arabia to build outsourcing firms across all the kingdom and increase the jobs around the kingdom. And in collaboration with MCIT and with a total budget of $15 million for the first year, we are happy to announce our last product for the day, Source Tech. We are in Hall 3. Please come and join us, visit us, and see all the startups that we supported in the last 2 years, and join us to create another year of great impact. Thank you so much.